This is Biotronix PEMT loop therapy device. You can see pulse electromagnetic therapy device. Why loop therapy? Because you are getting the applicator which is like a loop. You can see this is the one applicator, single applicator, and this is in the loop form. This is quite heavy duty. You can see this is in the loop form. So the area which is between this loop, you will be getting magnetic field and PEMF on the same area. You can put all the joints between the same cervical. You can go shoulder and other joints. And this is the single loop, and we have also dual loop. You can see this is the dual loop. Like the area placed between the these two loops, it will be getting the magnetic field. So now I will give you the demo of the device. I will show everything. You can see this is the accessory carry box. This is the loop. This is the loop carry box. You can see this is the box. I will show you. This is the box where you can put both the loops. This is quite heavy duty device, so this is the box for the slip. And this is the device, how the device looks like. This is the front panel. All the instructions are written over here. You can see everything is written, so you have to first read the same, then make sure you are following the instruction and then using the device. Now you can see the device is very portable and like in the briefcase form, that can be closed like this, and you can make a briefcase like this. This is the handle, this is the side handle. You are having wheels at the base, and you can adjust the same from there and there. So by using the same, you can move the same even here. So it is like a briefcase type device, and it is a magneto PEMF device. You can see quite effective and latest technology in the physiotherapy and rehabilitation and for the other disease treatment. So you can see this is how the front panel looks like that. Deep oscillation magnetotherapy device, PEMT loop. So you can see this is the loop plugin where you need to plug in the loop, and this is the main cord plugin. This is the main switch, and these are the fans to cool out the device because the device is quite heavy duty. So and this is the frequency front panel. You can see this is the intensity from 1 to 5. Where 1 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum, and 1 is quite enough for all the small joints like shoulder and other. 1 is 2 is quite enough. I will show you the demo of the device also, and 5 is the maximum you can provide. And the time setting is 5 and 10 minutes. So 5, 10 and 10 minutes according to the doctor's treatment. The same can be done. And the frequency of the PEMF device is 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz, MF. 2, 4, 6, 8 and MF. MF means all the multiple frequencies. It will keep on rotating when you select the MF. So now I will show you the demo of the device. Make sure before you put the main cord cable and on the same, you have to just plug in the loop, whatever loop you are using, single hand or double, single loop or double. You have to plug in the same cord. So how you will plug in the same? You will make the pointer to pointer and press the same. Press the same. You will hear the sound cut, and you will place the same like this, and press the same, and you will hear the sound cut. So now loop has been connected. Now I will insert the main cord. You can see this is the main cord. This is the main cord I am inserting. I have inserted the main cord. Now I will switch it on. So now I will switch it on. So you can see the device is ready. This is the intensity, you can see the indication, you can see the frequency, you can see the time, you can adjust the same, or now I will operate the same by showing the demo of the same. You can see I'm starting the device. You can see I'm placing this loop on my shoulder. So you can see the movement under the magnetic field. So you can see my shoulder is moving according to the magnetic field, and you can see the magnetic effect on my shoulder. So this is the one intensity. If I increase the frequency, now I will increase the frequency. Increase the frequency to 2 to 4. You can see the change, and you can see the hand moving according to the frequency. So this is the how effective that device is, and this is the latest technology PEMF in the field of physiotherapy and other rehabilitation process. And now I will show you the by increasing the intensity, and you can hear the sound how intensity is changing, because I can't take up to 5 on my shoulder joint. So now you can see it is 2. Now I am increasing the same to 3. So this is 3. Now I am increasing same to 5. So you can see the difference in the intensity sound. Now I am increasing frequency to 8, 6, 8. You can see the difference between 2 and 8. This is the 8 one, and 2 was structure. So now MF means first I will get 2 hertz, then other frequency, then other, then so on. You see, this is multiple frequencies, so it will keep on switching between all those frequencies. So these are the pulse electromagnetic frequency, and MF means multiple frequency. It will keep on switching between all the frequencies. So this was a single loop. Now I will stop the treatment, and I will show the double loop also. Treatment is stopped, and I will switch it off before removing the loop. This is switched off. And now I will take the loop out. There is a button over here which you need to press. Then you need to take it out. You need to press that button. You need to take it out. So I have taken out the single loop. Now I will take the double loop. You can see. You have to match the color. Then press. You have to match the color. Then the point at the top. This pointer. And then press. You will get the sound cut. Now I will operate that dual hand. You can see the area between these two fields will get the magnetic field. So those two loops. Now I will show you a demo with the 2 loop also. You can see I will plug in the same. Switch it on. Start. So now you can see I am getting magnetic field in my hand. I will increase the intensity. So this is the dual loop. You can see. So I'm getting the magnetic field in my hand. So now I will increase the intensity more. So now you can see my fingers are moving because of magnetic field on my hand. You can see my fingers. You can see my finger movement. So I increase the intensity a little bit more. So this is the magnetic field with the 2. Now I will increase the frequency. You see the difference. You can see my finger movement with the frequency. Now 8. You can see. You can see this is smaller finger movement at all. Now I will select the MF. MF means it will rotate between all the frequencies. Now it's again changing. If you can see, will keep on changing. You can see. So this is very quite effective and latest technology, PEMF, in the field of physiotherapy and rehabilitation and all other diseases which can be cured with the same. So Biotronix here International is the importer of the same. You can get the same on Biotronix website, or you can contact us on WhatsApp, or you can reach us on our email ID also. All the details will be shared in the thing. Thank you for watching. Hope the information is quite effective.